Welcome to 1 Minute Science. Today, we're going to learn about hiccups. Have you ever been playing or eating and suddenly a hiccup appears out of nowhere? But why does this happen? Inside our body, we have a muscle called the diaphragm, which helps us breathe. Sometimes, this muscle suddenly contracts without warning. When that happens, your vocal cords quickly close, and that creates the funny hic sound. So, a hiccup happens in 3 simple steps. The diaphragm suddenly contracts. The vocal cords close very quickly. You hear the hic sound. Most hiccups go away on their own after a few minutes. Now, here's a fun question for you. What's your favorite home remedy for hiccups? Share your answer in the comments. See you in the next 1 Minute Science. Bye everyone.